So we'll start the first presentation with Timothy talking about the Chinese Blender community.
Thanks, everyone. Good to be back. So I'm delighted to bring some updates from China's Blender community. And first up, in our efforts to teach Blender to people from 8 to 68, I'd like to show you guys the award-winning entry from last year's 3D animation competition. Before we watch, this was done by 3 students aged 14 to 16. So yeah, let's take a look. Maybe a bit more volume would be amazing. Thank you. So I'll narrate a bit over it. These 3 students spent a bit of time learning online, and they spent some time in school with a leading teacher. They did all the modeling and texturing and rigging and animation that you guys see. I may have messed up the click. Sorry. So next up, we have a quick video showing you guys the upgraded Blender Studio experience in China, and it's called Origin CG. So we recently launched the certification module that we worked on with the educators SIG for a while. So if you'd like to learn more, please come to the SIG talk 10 a.m. tomorrow or come to our booth. Last video to show you guys, we have a quick announcement.
Welcome all to the Blender Conference. Welcome to the Blender Conference. Blender Conference.
So we ran a Blender Day event for one day last year, and we got 1,000 Blender heads to join us offline, in person. So this year we're hoping to do even greater things. We're going to have a 2-day event over one weekend in December. And if you'd like to connect with the community there, please join us. See you there.
No worries.